Class, let's go into a new dimension now. This is exercise number 6. You walk into a space which is familiar to you, such as a room or a park, whatever comes into your mind. Now move into it slowly, privately, to obtain an object which has value to you. Then, after obtaining the object, you may leave. Now, before you go on, remember to focus on elements that are all about you to confirm that the place you have chosen is indeed familiar to you. So establish your privacy, which is important now. Establish your privacy by closing yourself within your space and establish a wall between you and any observers that might exist. And therefore you will allow this space to become real to you. Now create levels of involvement. Know where you came from, where you are going after obtaining the object, and why you want the object. Let that come into your mind. And then also consider what would happen if you didn't get the object, and so forth. You see, lend those dimensions to your point of concentration, and then we'll bring it to an end. You will go up one at a time to do that particular exercise.